Salutations, everyone. Now, I was looking through some games, saw this one. Looked interesting. We're gonna try it. Now, the trailer looks very, very interesting. So I'm hoping it's as fun as it looks. Level select. Ooh. Alright, nice vibe in the beginning. I guess we have to go easy. Alright, move. Rotate. Flashlight on, off. Okay, so we got battery power. Lights can expel the evil in their cells. Fantastic. Survive till 6 a.m. Come on, little baby. Come on. Ooh. Where am I? Okay. We got a clock. We got a really dark place. Ooh. Oh, I know somebody I gotta have played this game. Where are you at, little boy? Come on. I don't know if you guys can hear the heartbeat, but I feel like you do. Oh, battery power, that's right. Nah, I should be fine. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna have a staring contest with this little guy. Come on. You think you're gonna beat me? You think you have better eyeballs than me? I don't think so. I wanna explore though. So am I just in like a rundown apartment? There's a bed. What's opening? Is that a speaker? Oh dang, they got a nice speaker set. Let's see, we get some interesting paintings. Bed. Ooh, I like it. Where are you hiding? Okay, I guess first night he just stays over here. Yeah, I can see fairly well, I guess. I assume it's like it's pitch black for me. But I assume you guys can't see anything either. Alright, let's see. So, I'm trying to like tap it on and off so I can move around and still see a bit. The stove. It's not a bad apartment. You got a nice little. Stove placement's weird though. Is it a gas stove? Yeah. I was gonna say. Something electric, because then it to plug into. Ooh, nice bloody hand. Alright, let's judge their photos. That's a cute little puppy. And then we get these two. Alright, pretty generic family. It's a couch, a bed, boarded up window, another picture, another thing. You get over here, boy. You go take a nap. It's far past your bedtime. Look at that, it is far past your bedtime. You know, I haven't been jump scared in VR before. Should I let myself loose just to see it? I kind of want to. You know what? No. Just because I do want to like fully experience. I don't want there to be any like, oh, I've already been jump scared, so now it's gonna be easier. No, I want to fully experience this. I could also just do the other one on normal. We'll try all the levels first. Okay, vacuum, shorten, extend, okay. Got a vacuum now. Pay attention to battery power, find the same items to charge. Like, okay, so same deal. And survive till 6. Alright, flashlight's on my other hand this time.
Right, Joanne, I've told you to not make a mess, you know. We get told this every time, okay? We don't make messes here, alright? We're supposed to be cleaning up after ourselves, Joanne. Who left the alcohol? Little one, I've already told you, you can't be drinking, okay? At least not on Friday nights, okay? Save that for Saturdays. And you don't have school.
So am I only supposed to collect one item? Is that, I'm sorry, is that a bomb? What does that say? Riot? Okay. That's either a flash bomb or a smoke bomb. Really? This is a very filthy place, just saying. Am I survive? I mean, our objective is to survive. Oh, am I supposed to vacuum for, like, charge? Yeah, okay. Because otherwise my battery goes out. So am I supposed to look? So I need things of the same items for charge. Okay, that's how I'm supposed to do it. I'm supposed to hold it. It is past your bedtime. What did I say about drinking on the couch? Go to bed. Good. My goodness. Some children these days. I don't remember leaving shoes out. Is he playing with the shoes again? Yeah, so, okay. So I do have to make sure I'm holding it down for the same items. Okay, cool. I've learned. Where are you? Go back to bed, okay? Yes, my bargain. Oh. Thank you. Right, I do not want to have to tell you again. I will take away your alcohol privileges. Okay? Do you want to lose your alcohol? No, you don't. So go to bed. Are there any, like, things visible? Okay, there's this. More charge. Huh. So I guess I'm just cleaning up after you now. Look, you need to learn how to clean up after yourself, okay? Look, I'll show you. You take vacuum. Yes, you take vacuum. You take 2 items of the same variety and you put them up. Okay? Like you see the thing that very clearly doesn't fit inside the vacuum? You vacuum it. Why is there only 1 in here? I had 2. Alright, and that's cool. I can also see what item I have in there. What did I just say? No drinking on the couch. What's wrong with you? Can I get him from here? I don't know. Children these days don't know when to go to sleep. Am I only fighting a little child? Is it just the child? Or is there, like, harder levels can be different things? Go to bed. Alright, let's see. Looking for 2 of the same items. We have. Okay, I can do the pot. Kind of feeling like I'm just in a maid simulator now. Okay? Or a butler simulator, which would be better for me. Because then I get to wear a tailcoat. What are you even shaking? There's not even a thing. You are not made of wood. You may have ceramic one, plastic or something. Why are you shaking like you're wooden? Are you made of wood? Are you a wooden boy? Who has no strings on them? There was a piece of gold right there, right? Yeah. And the yoke. Oh, no, I already survived. March just about that, remaining power force. Yeah, okay. So, second night seems pretty easy. Locked. Okay, we'll do normal mode for this. Alright. So, wait, why can't I turn this off? Well, I hope that doesn't become an issue, because I cannot turn off my flashlight. Can I read any of these? The cool thing, pretty sure the message at the beginning, I don't know if you saw it, the white one. Pretty sure that has something to do with, like, I don't know correctly, it's like do not play, they will find you or something like that. Something similar. I cannot turn off the flashlight. So I can't save power. This power, this was normal mode, right? This is supposed to be more challenging. So now I'm concerned that I can't turn off the flashlight and I haven't seen anything. Is that a dinosaur? I know it's not, but is it? No, it's Canyon. Nah, I was hoping for a good old dino. They're wearing like a clown outfit or I don't know. Yawn. I mean, this really ain't all that different from how my room normally is. I just have all the lights off all the time, so. With an occasional red one for Drago, the mightiest of bearded dragons. There's a light switch. Can I just turn on? No, that's not a light switch. It's an outlet. Is there a light switch? Do we have lights? We have a fan. Probably has a light on it. I mean, that one's just torn up. No, the lights. No. Can I just leave? No? Okay. You know, just saying, one thing I don't necessarily like about recording on the Quest is whenever I record a game, so I see my hand, like, low, right? I assume to, like, here, it's, like, cut out of view for you guys, but I can still see it. Which makes it weird, and because when I rewatch it, it's like, okay, well, I see my hand doing this, but you guys can't. Yeah, it's just an interesting thing. Just kind of making small talk. I'm supposed to survive till 6 o'clock, right? I think someone forgot to tell me that my night shift is over. There's a lot of ghostly speaking. I might have to exit, because that feels like a glitch. I mean, the game seems interesting though, but yeah, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be happening. Probably not. Make little shadow puppets on the wall. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. If it gets to like 12, I'm gonna give it a chance, because this might be like, maybe I mean, the flashlight is supposed to be going down. That's supposed to stop at 6, so more than likely it's glitched. However, I'm going to give it a chance to get to 12. Just because maybe it's a secret thing. Hopefully that's what is happening and I don't have to leave. Because I'd rather not. I want to get to the 3rd level. I might not have the patience for this. Hey, you know, we can do some good exploration though. That is what they wanted. So let's see. We're going behind the couch. Nothing. Well, just so you guys can get like a good feel of the room. Here's from the couch. Alright, it is right about 12. Okay, it stopped moving, but nothing's happening. And I'm still stuck here. You can't see it, but I'm putting my hand on the print. Cool. Okay. Well, I guess I'm leave and rejoin. Yes, the place kind of feels like a vibe, you know. Also, wow, those are big speakers. Cool. Well, you guys are just gonna see me go through that. Yeah, it says do not enter. They will get you or something like that. I don't know. I'm not fluent in it, so I got no idea. You know what? Let's try maybe this one on normal. Alright. So to start off with, trying to find some similarities. I know there's a pocket watch right behind me. But I only grabbed one. There was 2. Do I have to grab more? Okay, great. Now I'm hunting for this. There we go. Maybe it's because I let go too quick. Ooh, okay, battery goes down very quickly. pocket watch over there. I saw another one. Where did I see another one? It's gotta be, yeah, here we go. Okay, we got these two. Okay, yeah, it's because I'm not holding it down long enough. Right, so now I gotta find another box. There's one over here. Is that a med kit? There's a medical kit. Why do you rattle like this? Go to bed. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna have to let it go wrong. There we go. Alright, and I know there's a medical kit right here. So, was kind of hoping like more intense things. I don't know, we'll see on level 3. Where are you, child? Where are you hiding from me? Go to bed. Here. Do you need your nighttime alcohol? Okay. Because you know you're not supposed to be having that. Why is my heart beating? Very, very slow. This would be pretty nice to explore in real life. Ooh, and who knows, maybe I get to find an actual haunted doll I can fight. That'd be funny. I don't know, it's pretty chill for me. It's not really like anything crazy. Or that's just because of me. Like, I know Spaghetti, he would have a reaction to this game. Dolls in the dark, oh, he would be freaking out. As for me, this is just kind of my vibe. Why are you not the best? Listen to your parents. Okay, if they say go to bed, you go to bed. And eat a chimichanga. Because they're good. Sometimes. Depends. There's another way, right? Yeah. Oh, I forgot I can extend this thing. How far can I extend it? Is that the limit? Yeah, I think that is. Alright, come on out from hiding. Why are you hiding? You know it's nappy time. There's no cookies on top of the fridge this time, okay? Go to bed. As you can see, we're poor right now. What do you look like? Oh my goodness. Looks like his eyes are about to pop out. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, we're a little poor in terms of getting lighting and things. So no cookies for a while. Anything of interest, here I am looking for some flowers and a baby in the shower. Does this place have a shower? I really kinda need to bathe him. It looks like he's on. Yeah. Looks like he needs a bath. I was very concerned. Okay, well, the fan's just on now. Alright, well, if I don't end up unlocking it on this round, then I think I'm just gonna probably end the video. So far, I like the vibe. Is the fan noise finally going, or is that no? Okay. So, I do apologize if y'all hear in the background what's it called? Why does my brain fail me? Anyways, yeah, vacuum. There we go. Why was I not able to think of that word? So the vacuum is still going from the last round.
That is annoying. Because now I have that in my ear.
Ugh, yawn. I could take a nap in a place like this, I feel like.
Coin pouch? Please? Mama? No? No mama? Okay.
I don't feel like I trust sleeping on that bed, though. You know what I mean? I feel like it would have a lot of... So I guess hard mode, there's just hides in different spots. Let's see, there's gold bars, okay. I know I saw a phone somewhere else. You know what, actually, you are very good. You know what, you were finally minding your manners. That is good. You need to make sure you get your rest. You need to name him. What is his name? What is a good name for him? For some reason, I want to name him Dimitri. Alright, gives off a Dimitri vibe. I don't know, what do you think, 321? Would you like to be named Dimitri? If not, I might name you Sergey. Or Cheese Man. Okay, the phone did not want to go in. Where are you? Oh, you're up here. You know, I'm removing your wine. Your whiskey. Your scotch. Whatever that is, removing it. There we go. These alcoholic children, never minding their manners. Always hiding behind couches. see if I can... Okay, it's lower. There was, right? Yeah. Oh, good. Is that where I need to be? Looking for some cheese. Looking for some cheese. I really need a great lot of cheese. Alright, where are you heading? Aw, okay, I guess I win. Alright, third night's not done. Yeah. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I have to, I need to see this. I'm gonna let it jump scare me. Okay. So he's right there. I'm just gonna... in view? I'm not gonna, like... Alright, little one. Give me your worst. That's your worst. Really? Was kind of expecting a bit more from you. Alright, well that's locked. So I guess that's where I'm gonna end it. Overall, decently fun, you know? It was like a nice vibe that like come in if you just want to, not a long, if you want a short time, not a long time, I would say. Yeah. It's not very long, but it is decently entertaining. Oh, not a whole lot to it though. Anyways, so farewell. As always, hope you had a very frightful time.
And yeah, toodaloo, cheeseable, yeah.